Today I'm going to introduce you SX31 wireless microphone. So this microphone is the one on market, which is very cheap and works perfectly. So let's go learn and uncover this, and you are going to see how it looks. Okay, as you see, these are two wireless microphones with the receiver. And the receiver has two. You see, this one is for Type-C. This one is for iPhones. You see this one? These are the two wireless microphones which you attach on your chest. And inside we have this charger cable with two ports. So it's reserved for charging this one and also both at the same time. Okay. And we also have this. And this one you can just attach on the receiver, and you attach on the other camera or other telephone which is same external. Okay. So guys, let's test this and see how it works. And I'm going to record just a voice sample to show you guys, to make you listen how this is going to sound like. So I'm going first to unlock my phone. I have unlocked my phone, and the only thing you have to do is only to insert this on your iPhone. Or if you have another different port, like for instance you have Samsung, you can use this one and you insert in your phone. So for me it's an iPhone. I'm going to insert this, and after inserting this you have to switch this on. It has a button here. You're going to switch it on. You see these two lights, and these two lights showing that there is no connection of any of these two. So, and you also have to switch this one also. So you make sure you charge before you use. This is the charger, you charge it before you use. So for me, I charge this, and I'm going to open. And you see these lights. So, and you see also these lights on the receiver has stopped beeping. So this means the connection has been successfully. So, and then you go to your camera. You go to your camera, you open it, choose camera, and before you start recording, you have to place your wireless mic on your chest. So guys, for the sake of audio sample, I decided to give you a quick view of a video interview which I recorded using this SX31 wireless microphone, so that it's for you to decide if the quality is good. So for me, the quality was good and the quality works perfectly for me. So I know there are many brands, there are many other wireless microphone brands out there, like DJI microphone, like the Holy Land microphones, but they are very, very expensive. So for this one, if you are small YouTubers, so please use this one, SX31 microphone, so it works very perfectly. So I'm going to let you hear the sound quality from the video which I recorded using this SX31 wireless microphone. Then it's for you to decide if the quality is good, but you are going to find this so helpful. So please, if you find this video so helpful for you, so please give me a subscribe. So as you see, my channel is still small, so please, it needs to grow. So please support.
Muri system uburyo ushobora urubuga rwose wabukoresha, yaba yaba Shazam, yaba Audiomack, ahantu hose muri Facebook wabonamo indirimbo, muri Instagram wabonamo indirimbo. So uva ko iyo ndirimbo ariko no kuri email ushobora kunyandikira nkaba nayikoherereza.
So guys, this is the short video that I recorded using this SX31 wireless microphone. So it's for you to decide how was the quality. So if you want to watch the entire video which I recorded using SX31 wireless microphone, so please hit subscribe and go to my videos from my channel, and you're going to watch this entire video and you're going to listen how the SX31 wireless microphone was recording. So thank you for watching.